is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today I have a short video on my garlic harvest. I had a very successful, albeit small harvest, and I've learned my lesson for next year. Anyway, here we are. Okay, the background noise that you hear is my camera jiggling away. I apologize for that. But I have just spent the last half hour or so cleaning my garlic, and yeah, just cut the roots off and clean the outer stems. Now this is hard-neck garlic, and you cannot braid it, but I can certainly tie it in a bundle, which is what I intend to do at this point. So unfortunately, that is all that I planted. Actually, I planted a whole bunch of garlic that I purchased from the store, and none of it came up. But while I was doing that, one of the other gardeners asked me what I was doing and did I want some garlic that he picked up from the garlic festival. And I thought that was very generous and kind of him. I did take some from him, and that is the only garlic I got this year. So lesson learned. He told me that, yeah, sometimes they put growth inhibitors on some products so that they don't sprout while they're in the stores. So that's likely what happened to my garlic. But anyway, this is lovely. I'm going to clean up this mess, and then I'm going to tie this into a nice bundle. Okay, so lesson learned. This year, I will likely attend the garlic festival myself, or I will purchase some from this gentleman. Actually, I want the longer. Tail on this for a reason. Hopefully that works out for me. Okay, so bring these down. Okay. Well, as I said, this is not soft neck garlic, it's hard neck, so there's no braiding it, but there certainly is the opportunity to tie it in bundles nonetheless. So that is what we're going to do here. And I have left this scuttle up there for a reason, and I don't want him to disappear on me. Okay. So I'm going to go once round there to keep these guys in place. And just keep adding more. And I'm not braiding, I'm just making a nice bundle, which is different than braiding. So adding a few and then tying. Beautiful garlic. That'll teach me next year or this fall. I am going to try to do a huge bundle of this. The way Mark goes through garlic. Doesn't hurt to have big hands. Okay, almost there. Would have liked a dozen of these, but as I said, maybe next year. There we go. and go around again. One more time. Okay. And now I want to tie these two ends together, and the reason I did this was so that I can hang it. So I can definitely hang it from this little bundle. Perhaps upside down, yes. That would be the best way to hang it. Like that. So we'll work that through there. Yes, I think that's what we'll do here. Untie this and redo it. Okay. Yep, could have left this guy longer still. Okay. Nope, don't want that kind of a knot. That certainly did not work. So we'll do it this way. Now that one will not come undone. Okay, so I have got my bundle of garlic that is going to be hung and cured for a little while longer before it's used. Unfortunately, knowing Mark, he can use this up within no time at all. So definitely going to have to plant way more next year.